In this video, we will learn how to make TikTok edits with words. So let's begin.
The process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. Just go and open your TikTok app. So to make TikTok video edit with your words, you need to create your own video. So for that, just go and tap on this plus icon at the middle. Tap and here just go and create your own video. So here we have our video. Just go and tap on the stick icon to go to the next screen. That is edit screen. Here you can select the sound, add the effects, and here we have text. So tap on this text and here you can type in any text, and here you can select the font as well. So you can change the font whatever you want, and you can justify it, and here you can do all these things. So here we have typewriter. In some other cases you can also make it filled. So here we are. So and tap on done. So the text has been added. You can see that in the case of the stickers we have multiple other things that included polls. If you want to add the polls, you can also add the poll as well. That also comes under the text. So hope this video has helped you. Now you can just go and tap on next and go to the next screen and post your video. So hope this video has helped you in making TikTok edit with words. So but before you go, please like, subscribe.